Guys, most of the people, they are asking Mpilo why he doesn't not stay with her biological mother. You understand? Because most of the people, they were thinking that Mpilo's mom is alive. Is not alive. You understand? People, they think that Mpilo's mom is Masaule. Most of the people, they were thinking that Mpilo's mom is Masaule. You understand? Most of the people, even guys, most of the people, they were thinking that Mpilo's mom is Masaule, but Mpilo's mom is alive because guys, Musamseleku, hey, he had got many baby mamas. You understand? Because there is another son we didn't even know. He had got another son, Musamseleku. He had got another son. You understand? But we don't know him, that boy. Musamseleku, he had got many baby mamas, even Snake's mom. You understand? Musamseleku, he didn't married to Mpilo's mom and Snake's mom. That's why you saw Snake, she is very bitter a lot. But why Mpilo, she is not bitter? Because Mpilo's mother and Musamseleku, they don't even get married. You understand? But that girl, she doesn't have any bitterness. And Makumalo, she takes good care of her. You understand it? But that girl, she doesn't have any bitterness, Mpilo. But Snare, she have got attitude, and her mom passed away. And she doesn't think that Snare, she is an orphan. You understand it? Pilo's mom is alive. Guys, maybe Makumalo, she takes good care of Mpilo. That's why they take good care of Mpilo, because their mom is alive. You know that a child, when you are not take care good of that child, she will leave here anytime and stayed with her mom. That's why maybe they were treating Mpilo very well. You understand? Guys, Musamseleku, he had got many baby mamas, and Musamseleku, he doesn't want anyone to stay with his kids. You understand? Even look at Mayeni last time. They have got a fight with Musamseleku. Mayeni left Muzumbe. Mayeni, she left those kids. You understand? Mayeni knows that Musamseleku, he didn't want anyone to live with his kids. We understand it. That's why Mayeni, when she left Muzumbe, she left Munini and Avans. She doesn't go with those children. Mayeni. Guys, Msamseleku, he didn't anyone to stay with his child. Mpilo's mom is alive. That's why Msamseleku, he got married to many wives. Understand? So Msamseleku, he wants Makumalo to take good care of Mpilo. You understand? Because Makumalo, she doesn't any she was staying alone.